Shalom, shalom. Here's another song that we sing on the Sabbath in our Old Paths Torah Assembly services, or what you call it, Torah studies. It's Psalm 100 coupled with Psalm 117, since we've got a family of songs that are in the same family of chords, which is Psalm 96, Psalm 92. We just choose and pick which one to connect to it, but most of the time it's Psalm 100 and Psalm 117 right after the other. So I'll sing it to you first and I'll give you the chords later on. Make a joyful noise unto YHWH, all ye lands. Serve YHWH with gladness. Come before His presence with singing. Know ye that YHWH, He is Elohiym. It is He that hath made us, and not we ourselves. We are His people and the sheep of His pasture. Enter into His gates with thanksgiving, and into His courts with praise. Be thankful unto Him and bless His name. For YHWH is good, His mercy is everlasting, and His truth endureth to all generations. Oh, praise YHWH, all ye nations. Praise Him, all ye people. For His merciful kindness is great toward us, and the truth of YHWH endureth forever. Praise ye YHWH, praise ye YHWH, praise ye YHWH. HalleluYah, 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 HalleluYah. Amen, amen, hallelujah. I'm really glad that I can share this song. Yes, indeed, make a joyful noise unto YHWH. So it's just G, it plays with D, A, and G. So it's like this, it starts with a G. Make a joyful noise unto G, YHWH. A, all ye deep lands. Serve YHWH, G, with gladness. Come before A, for His presence, D with singing. And then the chorus would be like G, A, G, A. Not G, A, G, A, A, D, A, D. Know ye that YHWH, He is Elohiym. It is He that hath made us, and not we ourselves. We are His people, and the sheep is G, and the sheep of His pasture, A, pasture. Then going back, it's D, G, A again. Enter into His gates with thanksgiving, and into His courts with praise. Be thankful unto Him and bless His name. For A, YHWH is good, G, His mercy is everlasting, And his truth endureth to all generations. I hope I did that correctly. Just look at the previous song, but I think it's correct. And then it connects with Psalm 117, which is kind of different, but same. Oh, praise thee, Yahuwah, all ye Oh, praise Yahuwah, all ye nations. Praise him, all ye people. Oh, praise Yahuwah, all ye nations. Praise him, all ye people. For his merciful kindness is great toward us. And the truth of Yahuwah, Yahuwah endureth forever. Then it starts with G, the chorus again. Praise ye Yahuwah, praise ye Yahuwah, praise ye Yahuwah. Then G, D, A again. Praise ye Yahuwah, praise ye Yahuwah, praise ye Yahuwah. HalleluYah. Amen, amen. I hope you learned that song quickly. And it's a blessing to share these songs with other brethren, hoping and praying that we all use these songs for magnifying the word of Yah in our lives. Shalom, everyone, and have a good day.